Just your size.
Here, let's have her put some food in this little thing here.
You want to get out and put some food in here, Amanda?
Because they're hungry.
You want me to put it in there for you? You're watching fine.
I fed them the rest of mine.
Okay.
They were really hungry.
Mike, pour some of hers into his cup.
I guys don't want the horses. I guys don't want the horses.
Okay, Amanda, I want to see you feed the horses.
I feed the horses too.
I want to see you, Matthew. Put some in there.
Feed.
Don't put it all, though.